We left off in Field and Forest, New Hampshire last weekend. This weekend, you're joining us on the trail in PA. This is famous Redden property. These are some of the new trails I cut there. This one's called Evergreen Terrace. Two guys decided they wanted to wheel hard trails on 35s, and it was a little bit of a struggle, but we got them through it. Go, go, go. You're good. Steer downhill. Little by little, walk over. Keep coming. Yeah. Clear for takeoff, Steve. When you bump it over, it comes up fast, steep. You took half the knoll out. You took half the hill out. You see my tire? Yeah. Straighten up. Yep. roll it. You can tell how far down that is. It actually shows it on camera. His truck all the way down there. Go! Oh boy. How does that feel? Shitty? Go a little bit more, see if it's gonna... Uphill. Uphill. All right, downhill. A little bit right there. Nice and easy. Yep. Come slowly. Slow. Slow. Front to me. A little bit.
More? Is that good?
That should be good. Nice and easy. All right, stop. Stop. You're good, Chris. He made it. The little Geo that can. Yep. This is the most ragtag group of people I've ever been with. We've got a Geo, a 1-ton JK. Stay passenger. That's driver. Yeah. Keep on coming. Yeah. Touchdown. I think so. I can't see it from my house.
You're good.
Yeah.
I'm going.
Come my way. No. You.
Really?
You'll just slide into that hole.
Huh?
You'll just slide into there. That'll catch you.
I don't want to take out a drive shaft.
Just go slow then. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. That's how it's done. This is the exit of the trail, and as you already know from watching videos, Steve Dalton is a wheelman and not afraid to send it, and he knows his rig really well, and he makes it out of the trail at the exit with zero issues. Steer that way. So the Geo had a rough weekend. It busted a hood, 2 fenders, a grill, and a airbag mount. This is Pioneer Steam and Coal Mine Tour. We do it a lot when we're riding over in that area. It's a really cool, informative tour, and it's something you should definitely check out in Ashland, PA. Almost there. Yeah, it should climb if you bump it.
It's right at the peak. That rock's gone out of there. That's a deep hole. Maybe if I go over this way.
If this trail looks familiar, it's Silent Hill. Me and Steve are the only ones so far to do it. Steve flopped at the exit. The only bad part about this trail, this is the top of the trail. You have to go up, turn around in this plateau, and come back down it. I kind of like it that way. It gives you a chance to try a new line going down that you couldn't get going up. And Joe didn't fare well. He brand new build, and his drive shaft gave way. The rest of the rig worked phenomenal, and we had a fun time winching him out. So, my idea, stop right there real quick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the trail.